Salty O2 Fishing. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some baits. So what you'll need is paddle salt. I'm using some reused baits that I melted down. Going after a pumpkin color with green and red flakes with a little bit of gold in there. So very interesting. We have our mold. We're using the Finesse worms. We have our mixer. We have a clamp to hold them all together. We have the injector and an oven mitt. We'll need that for your burning little hands. So you'll grab your paddle salt or the mold, the plastic you want to make, put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes, and then after 3 minutes, come back and I'll show you the rest. So once you get it out, you're gonna do your little mixy. Just like that, and then you're gonna grab your injector, you're gonna pull it, but be careful, if there's too much air, it will explode. And after a couple minutes, let it sit, cool. This is what it'll look like. Sometimes you will have to trim it up a little bit, just like that on the top, but that's too easy.